Hey, this is Mindful Bodyworks. Thank you so much for joining me. We're going to go ahead and get our wiggles out and start in mountain pose. So pushing through all four corners of the feet and finding our breath. Just observing the breath here, exhaling any tension, any stress. Just relaxing and unwinding, surrendering to the moment. And then we'll inhale the arms up, 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 and exhale down. Bringing our hands prayer position. We'll go ahead and take those legs wide. So we're going to have our toes facing the corners. So our feet are wider than our legs. We're going to inhale up, exhale, sweep the arms down. Inhale up, sweep down. Now, if this is too fast for you, you can slow it down, no problem. Make it work for you. We want to build heat in the body. You don't have to sweep all the way down. It's really just up to you. So inhaling up and exhaling cactus arms. Relaxing the arms, inhaling up. And now bringing the hands to the hips. We're going to turn the toes in. Nice straight legs. You can have a micro bend in the knees. And then we're going to start coming forward into a flat back. So this is a wide-legged fold. Half lift. Relax the arms down when you're ready, and we'll come into a forward fold. Again, knees bent is completely fine if you need to here. Allowing gravity to help you. You can walk those hands back towards the arches if you're flexible. Or not, you can leave them forward. Let's go ahead and come back to our half lift, so straight back, straight neck. And then when you're ready, exhale and fold back down. Now we're going to keep our left hand on the ground. And we're going to sweep the right arm up and inhale up, exhale down, switch hands. Right arm comes up, inhale, exhale down. Again, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, and exhale down. Coming back to our half lift. And then bring your hands to your hips and slowly come back up. We're going to turn to the top of our mat. You can have your feet apart here, hip width. Inhale the arms up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale. We're going to swan dive, hinging at the hips, coming all the way down, relaxing the legs, relaxing the head. You can even interlace the arms here for a little bit of traction. I like to add a sway to open the hips. Then we'll come into a half lift, straight back, straight neck. Pull those hips back. And then when you're ready, you can fold back down. And then inhaling, half lift. And exhaling, fold. Inhaling, we're going to roll up and sit back into a chair. So knees bent, hips coming straight back, arms extended. Make sure you can wiggle those toes. That lets you know your weight is in the heels. And then exhale, spill back down, dive the head back down into a forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. And then again, chair. Inhale, roll the head up, sit back with the hips into our chair pose. And exhale, dive back down with the head and the arms into our forward fold. Rolling all the way up this time. Head's the last thing to come up. And now we're going to step back with the right foot into our warrior two pose. So front heel, back arch. Open the arms, reach through the fingertips. You want to feel like someone's pulling you both back and forward at the same time. Line those arms up, check your foundation, and find your breath. Surrendering to the pose, welcoming any heat. And now we're going to bring that left forearm to the thigh, and right arm's going to extend up and over into our side angle. This is one of my favorite poses. You can look down or forward or up. I like looking up because it reminds me to open my chest. Really stretching the side body, inhaling back up into warrior two now. Straightening that front leg. We'll reach, and come over into our triangle pose. Lifting that right arm up. You can scooch that back leg in if you feel like you're overstretching. A nice micro bend in that front knee is always a good idea. And then you want to lift up through the hand, back up into our warrior two. So sitting back into that lunge. And then inhaling back up and switching sides. So now we're right heel to left arch. Open the arms, warrior two. Check your foundation, look at your arms. Reaching both forward and back. Again, observing the breath, slowing the breath here, welcoming heat in the legs. Inhaling. And on your next exhale, you're going to go ahead and bring the front forearm to the thigh. Left arm reaches up and over. Side angle stretch. Again, looking wherever it's comfortable for your head. Opening that side body, anchoring through that back foot, reaching through the fingertips. And then slowly coming back up into warrior two. Straightening that front leg, coming into our triangle. You can adjust the leg length if you want. Reaching up and over and lifting that left arm towards the sky. Again, a micro bend in the knee is always good for that front knee. And then when you're ready, lifting up and coming back to our warrior two. And then back to center, turning the toes in, inhaling up, exhaling to cactus arms. And then scooch the feet in or hop in if you'd like. We'll inhale, arms up, exhale, down, inhale up, and exhale, down. Bring your hands heart center, prayer position, close the eyes. And just be proud of the work we've done today. Dip the chin towards the chest. And this is where we're going to end our practice, taking one final breath here. And slowly blink those eyes open. Namaste. Thank you so much for taking a quick minute out of your day.